Yes, we back with a new toy. As you see, we got the new WPL C24, and I think it's the upgraded sort of version, as it comes with the wooden slats on the back, blah blah blah, things like that. I'm gonna spin you around and crack straight into this. This thing looks epic. WPL C24. I love the WPL stuff. It's so good, so scale. Look at that, battery goes in there. As you know, with the WPL, we've got headlights. Oh yeah. The thing I like about this, this beast, oh my god, slippy is, all the doors open. You've got a little bottle of water on the seat, doors open. Obviously the other side door opens as well, with mirrors fold in. Like, this is what I'm on about, the scale stuff. We have a wooden bed, got a little rug I've stuck on there, a little toolbox, set of wellies, spare tyre underneath. Look at this, they're so simple, but you know what, they're so good. I've got a stick stuck under there, yeah, but they're so good. This door needs to shut. But yeah, guys, this is what I like WPL, and this is my new toy, and this is what we're playing with today. Do you know what? I've done a few climbs off camera already, and this thing seems really, really capable, guys. Obviously that door opens as well, mirror comes out as well, headlights. I want to do a few things to this because I've got about 10 WPLs now, all little trucks. They're so epic. So I'm going to do a little, I think I'm going to do a video on all of them, maybe a challenge with all of them and see what one is better. But yeah, today we're using this beast. Well, here we go, first little, well it isn't a first little, because it's done quite a few, but as I just noticed as well, we will stop it here. It comes with the shocks, with the spring inside the actual tube. These tyres, I wouldn't say epic, obviously. We're going to try and get back up this as well. We'll hear you. I think we're going to get a bit of slidage. Right, let's see if we can spin this round. I just love the look of this. This thing looks so sick. Oh, wheel spinning already. We might be able to crawl up there. If we take it easy and just dig in. Oh yeah. Told you, these little WPLs there just surprise me all the time. Come on. New tyres. Oh yes. Come on, yeah, I knew it'd struggle a little bit, but look at that. How epic does that look? Obviously, I don't expect too much out of it. I've got a Land Rover at home, WPL, you guys have probably seen it. Have a look through my videos. That thing is capable, man. Come on. The proportional controls are so good. So good. These little tree logs are so good. Little tree roots. Come on, over we go. Oh, yes. Let's follow it. Let's carry on. See if it can cross it. Oh, lifting them. Oh, look at that. Oh, my God. We're just trying the steepest of climbs, but the steepest of climbs, I think it'd get up. It's so capable for what they are. This thing, I'll put a link in the description. I think this was about 100 and... because this come as a kit version as well. About $100, I'd say. Thing is so epic. Look at that. So realistic. Right, here we go. We're going to test the limits of this beast. We've got a nice little climb here. This is climbing so well with these tyres on. And then we've got a little log at the top, which you're going to see. We're getting slip. See if we can get up this log as well. I doubt that. I doubt it. Oh, what? Let's try that again. Let's make sure that wasn't fluke. Here we go. Yes! Bit of wheel spin and then we're off. I'm just trying every climb I see. This old suspension works really well actually. I think with these WPLs, you've got to keep moving. But as long as you keep moving, they'll keep moving. Oh, yes! What? This could be one of my most capable yet. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. In the comments, guys, tell me if you've got any WPLs or even one of these, what mod you done to it? How capable is it? Come on. Yes. Another little climb up the slab. Look at that. See if we can get up in the corner. These WPLs, seriously, WPL is underestimated with the stuff they build, or sell, shall I say. These little rigs are so good. Tiny little, I think they're 180 motors. Do you know what? They're so powerful now. Oh, I've got a stick hanging out the back. Let's grab that out. Don't suppose that'll be doing any favours. Oh, there you go. Yeah, the cheaper rigs, so underestimated. I could go out and buy Traxxas and just like, yeah, Traxxas, all the cheaper, all the dearer coolers, things like that. Everyone forgets about these cheaper rigs. You know, they're so good. I have cheap and expensive on my channel, guys. It's not all about having dear, expensive and smashing it up and stupid things. It's about everyone's variety. Not everyone's got hundreds and hundreds of pounds or dollars to go spend on RC cars. The cheaper ones are so good. It just shows you can still have as much fun with the cheaper ones than you can with the most expensive. Come on, let's give it some. See if we can get up here. No, that didn't really work. Oh, door's open. Let's try it again. Definitely a new set of tyres coming for this, I think. And you know what? The cheaper rigs, as this is like, if it's classed as either a 1/12 or 1/16. They're smaller. They're such decent little rigs. The cheaper rigs, nothing wrong with having cheaper rigs. I do, like as I said on my channel, I do a variety. I have expensive rigs on my channel and the cheapest of the cheap. You can still have as much fun as you can with the cheap ones as you can with the expensive ones. As I said, not everyone's got hundreds and hundreds to go spending on the top make, top range cars, Traxxas, etc. But guys, let's crack on with this video.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it.
A bit of mud. It ain't wet. It is dry mud. See if we can give it a little flex, get stuck, or see what we can do here. Maybe get a bit. Oh yes, yes, we got through there. Oh, can we pull ourselves through here? Yes, of course we can. Look at that.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe
right, now let's try this one again. I tried this one off camera. Come on, come on. Oh yes, oh the grip. Oh, it is struggling. Come on. Yes, come on. What are you caught on? Oh no. Start again. Straight from there. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yeah, and we made it. Oh, look at that. This did come, I actually bought 3 batteries with this rig, so we have got another 2 batteries for when this one runs out. So sick this thing is. Look at that. Yeah, epic. One little last trail for the little beast. There will be a video coming, guys, WPL, and we're gonna basically put them all up against each other, all of my WPL trucks. Put them all up against each other. Some of them are very, very capable, and this is a good contender. This is an epic contender. Here we go. Oh, look at, oh, how did I guess that was going to do that? Yes. This is such an epic contender. There you go. Well, that's that little trail dunnage. I might give that a little go. Put you back on in a minute. Give that little rock face there a go. But guys, other than that, tell me what you think about the WPLs. I think they are epic. Seriously, they're so underestimated. I think these rigs are so good. Seriously, like I said, it's not all about spending loads and buying the best of the best. I've got the best. I've got TRX4s. I've got the best of the best. But you know what? I get more fun out of the cheaper ones. Everyone's different, guys. Let me know if you've got any WPLs, and let me know what mods you have actually done to them. Let me know if you have one of these. Guys, I can't wait to do the versus video. That is going to be epic. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you beautiful people in the next video. Stay safe and take care.